Have you ever heard of polyhydroxy acids? If not, don't worry, you're not alone. So whether you are new to the world of acids or a pro, keep watching to find out about PHAs and why you should consider them in your skincare routine. Hi, I'm Irene Mertens from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Okay, so today we're talking PHAs. Polyhydroxy acids are gaining serious momentum. They're touted for their anti-aging effects, and yes, if you haven't guessed already, it happens to be another exfoliant, a chemical exfoliant to be exact. PHAs are a type of fruit acid. They are part of the hydroxy acid group that includes AHAs and BHAs, and yes, they are vegan. Now, all three of these acids are added to the skincare products for pretty much the same reasons: to add elasticity to the skin, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and help reverse some damage and help, tone your skin and keep it hydrated. PHAs repair skin and boost cell regeneration. They improve your skin's barrier function and are non-comedogenic, so they will not clog your pores. As humectants, they are fantastic for keeping your skin hydrated by locking in moisture. PHAs also come armed with a ton of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help you reverse and prevent free radical damage that the sun's UV rays and pollution cause to your collagen and skin cells. And have you ever heard of glycation? This process weakens elastin and collagen in your skin, but fear not, because PHAs help you combat this process. So, glycation no more. While AHAs and BHAs are very effective with some excellent benefits for the skin, they can also be, pretty hard and maybe sometimes irritating. PHAs are gentler and they have a larger molecular structure than AHAs and BHAs. This also means they don't penetrate the pores as quickly, and neither do they penetrate as deeply. You can think of PHAs as a type of new generation of AHAs. They are like a special type of AHA that will strengthen your skin barrier and reduce the signs of aging, just without the irritation. So, as you might imagine, PHAs are less likely to make you as sensitive to the sun as AHAs, which means a lower risk of sunburn and sun damage. A far better option if you have sensitive skin. But despite all of this, you should still use them with caution, as they do make the skin more sensitive to the sun. But this is, generally all acids are, make the skin sensitive. You can potentially also use them after specific cosmetic procedures like laser or dermapen or microdermabrasion. It's okay, but you have to make sure that you talk to your dermatologist. However, don't be fooled by their gentle nature. Some research suggests that PHAs are almost as effective as other hydroacids, but are more easily tolerated by people with sensitive or dry skin, and they are a better choice if you have skin conditions like rosacea or eczema. So overall, they work for all skin types, even for oily and acne-prone skin. And if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, they are safe enough to use. Good news. When it comes to side effects, the beauty of PHAs is, they don't really have any, considering that they are more superficial than other types of skin acids, working only to wash away the debris that sits on the surface of your skin. Now, the most common types of PHA that we find in skincare products are gluconolactone, lactobionic acid, and galactose. So these are ingredients that you should look out on the label if you want to give it a try. Seriously, they can be found in many different products such as cleansers, toners, masks, and moisturizers. But I will say that for best results, you should try them in a cream or even better in a serum. PHAs are best used in products that, like stay in your skin for a while to give them enough time to, loosen the bonds between your skin cells. By the way, you probably are already using these products. Check out your labels if you have time. Okay, now what about mixing PHAs with other active ingredients? PHAs are probably the most versatile of the acids, and providing that your skin can tolerate them, you can absolutely, you can totally mix them with other acids in lower concentrations, I would say. But not only that, PHAs help your skin absorb other active ingredients better. So they are a great ingredient to start with. And you can combine PHAs with AHAs and BHAs or both. But again, you have to, if you have, like a particular sensitivity or your skin is too dry, stick to just one acid and maybe, just see what happens. Yes, I know what you are thinking, and you can use it with retinoids that are great at treating acne and photoaging. Just make sure that you alternate the two if you have too sensitive skin. Now, let me remind you this. PHA is an acid, so you should avoid combining PHAs with pH-sensitive ingredients, and that includes vitamin C. That being said, you can use vitamin C in the morning and PHAs in the evening if your skin tolerates it well, okay? Hey, whatever you decide to pair with PHAs, just remember that you could overwork your skin because you are getting rid of the bonds between healthy cells as well as the dead ones, okay? And that's not what we want. So don't overdo it. Don't overdo it. Actually, to strengthen the skin barrier, you can look for a PHA product that contains other moisture-locking ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or peptides. If you are just starting out, try using PHAs, I will say 3 times a week on non-consecutive days. It's also preferably, introducing PHAs to use them at night to avoid any inflammation from sun exposure. Although, technically you can use them either in the morning or in the evening. You know your skin and you know that you have to protect your skin from the sun. Seriously, PHAs are a great option if you have acne-prone, oily, or even sensitive skin, or if you suffer from conditions like eczema, rosacea, or psoriasis. They are going to help you exfoliate your skin in a very gentle manner. If you have used PHAs before, I would love to know your experience. So let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me today. Bye for now.